How to delete temporary files and app data in Windows 10 to free up disk and avoid 100% disk usage. So my laptop getting very frequently 100% disk usage. So I decided to upgrade SSD for at least for a C drive. So actually here is HDD maximum speed of 102.60 Mbps, but SSD SATA protocol 500 NVMe protocol up to 3 GB per second. So forget about the story. Now we have to clean the temporary files. But I have Windows 10 have a good option to automatically clean up temporary files that apps are not using. Some temporary files not going to delete because already apps are using, like running apps like Chrome, this kind of things. So I want to check the how many temporary files, only today temporary files. Actually we don't need to worry about the temporary files, it's automatically deleted. As you can see, today's date 120, only today's required documents are there, temporary purpose. After that it will automatically go to the automatical delete. Then actually we are going to settings. Apps, I have to click on apps. Also we can also delete app data by here checking which application taking more than data here. Here Adobe Photoshop 3.21 GB. Also we can see these things by uninstalling story. So again we have to go to the app data. App data is very important. Some application like AVG antivirus holds more than 20 GB in application data. You can check here. Example, I have to check Chrome. If you install some applications, there is 110 GB torrent. There is some kind of application is there to view folders size automatically within files. Adobe. Actually, I installed some apps, but it is app data still in the application folder. Apple computer. We have to delete these things manually. To delete automatically temporary files, you have to go to setting storage and click on storage files. This is also useful when you uninstalling the apps by softwares by file size files. Just like Android devices, we have to can also reset the application data. So already settings, storage, storage is on automatically on change. Delete temporary files my apps aren't using. I recycle bin. Okay, delete my downloads folder. If they have they we have to think about the deleting for downloads folder because mm, some video files the okay I'm going to clean now recycle bin already done storage files. So roaming 43 GB user for application data 43 GB which application using this kind of thing we have to identify. So application data is mere my so my case is avg I guess there is 872. There is a application. There is a, some kind of application to view folder size automatically. I guess Adobe is the biggest thing. 276 Atom AVG. Already downloaded this one. So Windows 10. This here 28 GB. So I have to identify the largest folder. For knowing folder size, I have downloaded this one, folder size 2.6. This very older version. So very simple tool. You can download this one by for better graphics, better statics. So I downloaded this thing and installed. So here the temp directory, it's automatically pops up every time. So these are temporary files. Now on the roaming data, it's taking some time, I guess. Yeah. Here local file size 1 GB. Here it is 41 GB, 42 GB roaming. So I have to first open the 43. It's going. So I have to check my CPU. Nothing happening. So here is lot of the data here. GSA search engine tracker. Let's have, I guess, 41 GB. This is a old software tool I bought but lost. Totally corrupted my online business websites. So where is 10 cent? So I have to GSA 39 GB. I no longer use this one. So what in there? Documents, footprints, projects. Anyway, I'm going to uninstall this software. There is much need to learn this using this software. So I'm gonna delete identities, OBS Studio in PM, 2 GB ADM, 10 cent 1 GB, Adobe, there is ADM, download data, it's maybe temporary. Download data is a temporary folder for ADM. ADM. I don't know what happened, but I received want to delete this to equal to items. So now my disk something better I guess. 179 GB. Actually my disk up to here up to 90%. Now I'm able to decrease 70%. I have to when actually Windows basic Windows installation takes 15 GB, maximum 20 GB. But I am 180 plus 100 GB in still in the C drive, but I don't know what kind of application there. So I have to migrate this C drive to SSD. For that I am cleaning the disk now. 9%. I have to check the my so start on Windows startup. No need to start on exit. 180 GB free of. Also yeah, it's almost done. Anyway, I'm going now. Stop now. Canceling.